Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today we want to explore how to use the ISOWEEKNUM function. The ISOWEEKNUM function in Excel returns the ISO week number of the year for a given date. The ISO week number is part of the ISO 86101 date and time standard issued by the International Organization for Standardization, which is the ISO. According to this standard, weeks start on Monday, and the first week of the year is the week that contains the first Thursday of the year. This means that if January 1st is a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, it belongs to the last week of the previous year. The ISOWEEKNUM function belongs to the group of date and time functions within Excel and returns the ISO week number of the year for a given date. The syntax starts by ISOWEEKNUM, and then you fill in the date that you want to get the week number from, and your date is the date for which you want the ISO week number. So inside our data we have the order and the shipping date, and if I want to get the ISO week number for my order dates, I start by an equal sign followed by ISO weeknum open parenthesis, I mark the date, I close the parenthesis, I hit enter, and Excel will return the week numbers. As this is March, end of March, the week number is 12, so seems to be correct, and this end of January is 4, so this also seems correct. And one use case where I saw the ISOWEEKNUM function used was in creating weekly reports. So you can, for example, then filter for 4, and then you will get, or you can build a weekly report for all orders that were created in the 4th week of the current year, for example. But else, there aren't too many use cases for the ISOWEEKNUM function. But nevertheless, it can be useful, for example, for creating weekly reports. I hope you liked this short video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.